Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Inflation and maintenance costs. The need for maintenance occurs at an increasing rate of 8% per year. The maintenance cost this year totals $1,000. Furthermore, the labor and parts required to maintain the equipment increase due to inflation at a rate of 10% per year. The real interest rate for the firm is 12% a year. We want to compute the present value equivalent of the then current and constant worth maintenance cost in the 5th year. In this case, V is equal to 8%, J 10%, T 1,000, and D is equal to 12%. The commodity escalation rate for maintenance costs is made up of an 8% real escalation rate and a 10% inflation rate. Hence, the commodity escalation rate will be equal to the sum of 10% in their product, or 1 plus 0.8 times 1.1 minus 1 equaling 18.8%. Here's the formula. The then current maintenance cost will total 1,000 times 1.188 to the 5th year, or 2366 and some change. The constant worth maintenance cost in the 5th year, 1,000 times 108 to the 5th year. To obtain the present value equivalent of the maintenance cost, the real interest rate of 12% is applied to the constant worth amount, whereas a combined interest rate of 12% plus 10% plus 12 times 10% equals 23.2% is applied to the then current amount. So P is equal to 1469 times 1.12 to the 5th equals 833.68, or P is equal to 2366.31 times 1.232 to the 5th. Two different ways to do this. Work it out any way you want. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching.